Good afternoon, foodies. Hope you're all having a good day. Today we are making restaurant-style momo sauce. I'll tell you the ingredients needed. First, we'll take 15 to 20 dry chilies, stems removed. 4 badigi chili for color. 2 spoons of chopped ginger and garlic. 1 spoon sugar. 1 spoon sugar. 6 ripe tomatoes cut into halves. With these, we'll add 1 spoon dark soya sauce and 1 spoon white vinegar. Don't get confused with white vinegar, it's regular cooking vinegar. Take 2 glasses of water in cooking pan and boil it up. Add the chilies into it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now we will add tomatoes into it and we'll cook until the skin peels off from the tomato. Now we can see that the tomato is boiled and the skin is getting peeled. So now we'll drain it from the water. It was really hot, so we need to make sure carefully take out the skin. Now we can see the blended fine paste of tomato and chili. The color is so beautiful. Now add oil in a pan. Oil is heated, add the chopped ginger and garlic. Fry until it's slightly brown, please don't burn it. The garlic and ginger has become a light brownish color. Now we'll add the paste into it. Let's add a bit of salt for taste. 1 spoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Let's add 1 spoon vinegar, white vinegar, also cooking vinegar. Now let's add sugar. This gives a tangy, sweet and a nice taste. Cook for 2 minutes and you can take it away from the stove depending on what kind of thickness you need. Once we added all the ingredients, let it cook for another 2 minutes and you can take it away from the stove once you feel that the thickness is enough for you depending on your requirement.